Hello traders, the topic of today's video is positional trading, namely market profile. But before we start, subscribe to our free Telegram channel where we publish all our thoughts about the market and interesting videos. What is the market profile? The market profile is the short consolidation where the huge player is loading his position. But be careful, not every consolidation means that there is a huge player inside loading for his position. But most huge players really prefer loading inside the consolidation. That's a paradox. So how to trade market profiles? Let's watch. We just need to find the small consolidation starting from 15 minutes time frame. It should be quite large and with quite accurate borders. Then we see the breakout, the price breaks the structure, it goes higher and higher, and after some time the price goes back again to this zone. In most cases, this zone will be protected at any price because the huge market player who loads his position here is doing this for a long time because he lacks liquidity. He needs a lot of contracts to be loaded. However, after he completes this process, he needs the same amount of time to fix his very huge position, but higher. While he's fixing his $1 million position, he gradually affects the price and the price comes back because he is selling more and more just to close his trade in profit. He needs to sell. So the price is going lower and lower to his average entry point. But he still has, let's say, 40% of his position unfixed. What he should do? He will be at any price protecting his entry level. His average entry point by using additional liquidity, just placing limit orders here and here, very huge limit orders to show the crowd, hey guys, let's long from this place, just long and reverse the price. Many participants and the huge player itself, with the joint forces, they really manage to reverse the price again, just to give the huge player the second chance to close this 40% higher than his average entry point. This is the only case when the crowd and the huge player playing on the one side. This is our point of entry. We should enter here and we should use only the first approach to this level. Let's watch how it works. Here we have the consolidation on 15 minutes time frame. Usually we should use this tool, fixed range volume profile, just placing it along this range, and we see the maximum volumes. These maximum volumes will be the approximate average entry point of each player. This level will be protected at any price. As you see, indeed the price comes to this level and it grows back. What should we do? We should find the entry point here. Our loading zone will be above this market profile level. This will be loading zone. It means that the price actually could be reversed at any point inside this zone. That's why we should divide our working volume in 4 parts and place these parts like that with buy limit orders. For example, we have 100 lots. We should divide it by 4 and we have 4 limit orders, 4 buy limit orders, 0.5 or 1% lower. We have the stop loss here because the huge player will struggling not to let price going lower this maximum volume zone. So here we have 2 and 5% loading zone, and finally Here we have the stop loss. And look at this. If we enter here, 3 from 4 our limit orders could be executed, and in this case we would have 8% of movement with as I usually do, 80% of our volume fixed at 1 or 2% of movement. It worked out when the price went to this zone for the second and even for the third time. But we consider only the first approach of the price to this zone after the break of the structure. Please use this strategy that is extremely relevant in bearish market. If you want to see how we trade this on the real trades, please write it in comments below and ask any questions about the scalping trading, and you will get the answer in the next videos. I can't help adding that we are the official partners of the CSCAP trading platform, one of the greatest trading terminal. And we have our community in Discord with our students. If you want to join us, please write me in Telegram. All the links you will find in the description, or visit our website. Here you will find all the information. We have already taught more than 100 students to trade profitably. See you soon.